Now he's sitting here playing. He playing like a child because he been out here all day now. Do it again.
If it's one thing that I've learned, it is this woman right here is gonna find something for you to do, bro.
Why is you acting like that?
It don't matter what it is, she gonna find it. What you doing, babe? Nothing, just chilling. Oh,
First of all,
I got something we can do.
hey, what you doing?
Nothing at all.
Can you go to Target with me? Go to Target with me, can you?
Ooh, you know what, eh? My stomach hurt. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hold on. You should probably go ahead without me, baby. I don't want to hold you up. I don't want to hold you. Got me messed up. I ain't going nowhere.
Is we going or not? Why? Don't do that because I've been telling him about that for months. Telling the people a lie.
She want to pressure wash the house, y'all. She just be trying to do stuff, yo.
No, I just be doing stuff to be doing it.
She do. I'm like, why? Why on this good Saturday? So,
First of all, because I've been saying for months that we need to pressure wash the house.
we headed to Lowe's, y'all. We're headed to Lowe's.
You got your seatbelt on. So we go. Hey, open up my 100 grand. What you just do?
Back at Lowe's. Back at Lowe's. Back at Lowe's.
Why are you saying it like
Back
that?
at Lowe's again.
Well, why are you saying it like that?
Because we back. Okay, how are you? Where are we going? I don't know what aisle is on because I didn't check.
Look. Is that over there?
Oh, look.
It's right there.
Right there. Wouldn't you know it?
They're sitting right there.
It must be meant to be.
Mm-hmm.
Walk right up to him.
Right there. Boop. This is the one I saw online. This one I saw online. Was it this one or was it this one?
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this one.
Yep. And then we got
If you want a good soap to put on there,
okay.
this
Okay.
it's 30 seconds and you spray it on. You can use they make it in like one of these that you can use a garden hose.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It will be over there,
Okay.
but it works fantastic.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Simple siphon.
All right. We found the one we want. It ain't even that heavy.
Got him! Got him!
So we got to get the cleaning solution. He said that one, but he said the other one is good too.
Yeah, so the other one's 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
The quicker the better.
Mm-hmm.
What's $9.99? $9.98.
Unless you get the double pack one. Do we need a double pack? I don't think we need a double pack, do we?
This should be good.
What does that say? Oh, it say algae, mold, and mildew. Wipes out dirt and grime.
Decks, fences.
Oh, we could do that on our fence too.
Concrete, rent, masonry, gutter, siding, canvas, plastic, stucco. All back on window.
Are we gonna run into something else while we're in Lowe's?
We're gonna run into the house.
Nothing else, babe?
What else you trying to do?
I don't know. It's Lowe's. Get on in there and get your hands dirty now.
I ain't getting nothing.
Can I give you my phone number for military?
You need to pressure wash the inside of the garage. All that paint they got on the floor. You heard me? You need to pressure wash the garage with all the paint they got on the floor over there.
Get to it.
Huh?
It's something to put together, of course.
We don't look like he's that much stuff.
To you.
He's only a few pieces.
Okay, so my wife says the windows are dirty, and that's what she's referring to right there. We're gonna try to see if we can pressure wash that and get that clean. Hopefully we can. Stop it. Get some help. Pretty clean. Pretty clean compared to what it started at. This one over here working. Put some stuff on it. Put the stuff on and let it sit a little bit before we come back. So you can already see that one is dirt, everything coming off of that. That's before we even went back and resprayed. After letting the soap sit, come back with that turbo hose and spray it off. And that one gonna look like that one. We out here. Success, success, success. We got them clean.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now the windows are clean.
You done, sir? Cause now I see he was sitting there doing all that fussing.
It's some
Then now he's sitting here in bed. Now he been out here all day.
some rust stain. Let me hit the turbo now.
Oh Lord.
The turbo on.
Now he done been out here all day.
Messed around now. I done messed around and messed around.
Now he's sitting here playing. He playing like a child because he been out here all day now.
Freeze.
Do it again.
What'd you say? You say something?
Why are you playing?
I thought so. Ain't no game. Think it's a game? Ain't no game.